There are a couple of other articles of clothing you can consider having for your werewolf. The first of these are shoes. Now, some purists will say, shoes? Oh, come on. All the werewolf movies I saw had them running around barefoot throughout the countryside, terrorizing villagers. I recommend shoes. Unless you're going to be inside for the entire night, it can be very uncomfortable for the werewolf. Your feet are not used to being without shoes, so it means if you're ever outside or even inside with people stepping on your toes, it does not make for a very comfortable evening. You can have a very convincing werewolf and still be wearing shoes, so consider wearing them. I do recommend black shoes especially, preferably with some scuff already on them. That'll add to more beat up, at least look like you have been running through the countryside in shoes. Another add-on is a leather jacket. This can be a pretty cool effect. It's kind of, it's made from animal skin, so there's definitely something primal about the leather. I recommend black, although brown does work. Now, if you are on more of a budget for your werewolf costume, you can always consider just bumming one from a friend for the evening. That'll work just as well. Doesn't have to fit perfectly. The last article that you can consider wearing are sunglasses. Why would you wear sunglasses? It all depends on the effect you're going for. Are you going to go for the serious, bloodthirsty werewolf, or are you going to camp it up a bit? Putting on sunglasses automatically, no matter how good your makeup or the rest of your costume, will add a ham factor. And if that's what you're going for, they're an easy way to get it done.